Ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Panginoon Diyos. Mga babae, pasakop kayo sa inyong asawa sapagkat yan ang kalooban ng Panginoon.
You make me feel like the stars fell from the sky and rested within me.
I look forward to spend my life with you because you are always worth the wait. I love you.
I'm bruised from running down the miles. I shake, but it's this old fire I swear.
Wow!
In my bones.
Be, salamat sa gift. I love it.
'Cause you're my star. You're my
Amy,
star.
Gusto kong malaman mo na sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
This sea of faces
Please, alis na naman ako. Magbibiyahe na naman ako papuntang Italy. Kailangan na naman ulit natin maghintay. Sana makuha kita agad para magkasama na ulit tayo.
It's keeping me alive. I'm swimming deeper in the highs. You tremble in my bones. 'Cause you're my
Ito na yung araw na pinakahintay natin. Though magkakalayo pa rin tayo. Though magkakalayo pa tayo. Dito pa rin ako, hinihintay ka.
higher than my love. You will always be wherever I go. 'Cause you're my star. And you take me home. You take me home. You take me home. You take me home.
Dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa.
You make
At ang
me
dalawa ay
feel
magiging isang laman.
stars fall
Kaya hindi
from
na
the
sila
sky and
dalawa,
rested within
kundi isang laman.
my fingertips.
Ang pinapagsama nga ng
could
Diyos
reach to the dark.
ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
'Cause you're my star. You're my star. You're my star. You're my star.
Amy,
Take me home.
gusto kong malaman mo na sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
Sobrang mahal kita.